Make stuffed celery sticks. Are you tired of the usual celery stick stuffing? Try this low-carb, great after-school snack. It is just the right size to pop in your mouth. It is super easy to make and great for any occasion. Guaranteed that it's a dish adults will surely love. This recipe is also great for picnics and watching the Super Bowl. Prepare the ingredients. 1 package 8 ounces softened cream cheese, 4 ounces of crumbled blue cheese, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and 12 celery stalks, cut into 1-inch pieces. Take cream cheese out of the fridge. This is to soften cream cheese when you blend it later on. Wash celery bunch with a quick rinse just to take out most of the dirt. Cut or break leaves off celery stalks. Throw the leaves away. Get a sharp knife and cut 1 inch off the bottom of the celery on a clean chopping board. Discard bottom. Choose only the green stalks. Use a vegetable or potato peeler to peel the outside skin of the celery. You will enjoy eating your celery sticks without the strings. Cut celery into 1-inch slices crosswise. Remove leftover strings and some of the tougher parts of the celery. Use only the celery stalks that are even and wide. Keep aside the small, white ones for making soup or chicken stuffing, or you can give it to anyone you know that has a rabbit for a pet. Wash celery sticks a second time. Celery is usually dirty, so make sure you wash all the dirt off. Rinse and scrape celery sticks in cold water thoroughly. It is also best to use cold water when washing to keep celery crunchy. Drain the cut-up celery well and pat until completely dry with paper towels. Create the stuffing. Beat cream cheese in a small mixing bowl until smooth. For the weight-conscious, use fat-free cream cheese instead. Add 4 ounces of crumbled blue cheese, Worcestershire sauce, a dash of hot sauce, lemon juice, and ground pepper to cream cheese mixture. Blend ingredients well. Spread the cheese mixture. Make sure that celery sticks are completely dry so the stuffing does not slide off. Evenly spread a tablespoon of the mixture on each celery stick. Cover with plastic wrap. Arrange stuffed celery sticks on a platter. Refrigerate. Serve with a toothpick. If you like that extra kick, sprinkle cayenne pepper on stuffed celery sticks. This appetizer can be done the day before. You can make the stuffing in advance and just prepare the celery sticks the following day. The stuffing should be used within 24 hours. Try other combinations where you cannot go wrong, like Swiss cheese, mustard, and smoked ham, cream cheese with onion, salt and paprika, cream cheese and olives, or cream cheese with raisins or dried cranberries. Mix in 1/2 cup of walnuts or sliced almonds if walnuts are not on hand.